Up.
Where?
Look up.
This is just a screen. Where is the sky?
Look up.
Sky is up outside.
No. And the video, there's the sky up.
ለሷ የሚታየት ለኔ የማይታየኝ ነገር you can see but I cannot see nothing.
Look up.
Here?
The ceiling. Yes.
Oh, Tisha, you should know what is the sky and what is the ceiling. It's called ceiling. That's why I'm just thinking, where is the sky inside the house? Okay, let's go for
Me.
no. You go finish.
I don't
ገና ቆምሽ ታወሪያለሽ። እቺን ነገር ይወዳታል። Eva princess,
Yes.
come take your medicine. This is syrup, yani Panadol. He said 5 milli for Eva, but I will not give you 5 milli. It has 5.5 here, so I will give you 5. Okay, no problem. All right, here we go, Eva. Show to the people how strong you are when you're taking this medicine, and then they will send you love, heart shape. Show them here, other kids, how to take easily the syrup. Look, Eva, kids, say hi, kids. Easy peasy. Tell them it's easy. Hey, be strong.
It's easy.
Say be strong.
Be strong.
So you will be okay tomorrow.
So you can be okay tomorrow.
Yeah, take your medicine.
You take the medicine.
Okay, now we say 1, 2, 3, and we boom. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Go, Eva. Go,
Honey.
Huh?
Honey.
I'll prepare honey. Okay, I'll give you honey.
With the spoon in it. Because yesterday they did the spoon I drink it all.
አሁን እንደዚህ የምትለኝ መጠጣት ሲከብዳት ነው። በጣም ከባድ ነው መድኃኒት። ዋው ቲሻ say Eva bravo. Eva bravo. Eva, she is doing great job. Yeah, you did it. Clap for Eva. Yeah. Okay. አትወድም መድኃኒት አትወድም። ከጣፈጠ ምናልባት ካልጣፈጠ ነው። This is now Tisha turn. The same. He said 5 minutes. Is it Tisha ready?
Yes.
Do we need to shake it? This is for your coffee, actually. አንዳንድ ሲሮፖች እንደዚህ ሲከፈቱ በጣም ነው የሚያስቸግሩት። ስታዞሯቸው For Tisha also 5 minutes is caffeine to go. Hi, the princess.
Yes.
Tisha is super star. High five. High five, Tisha. You did it. You did. What's going on, Tisha? I say high five. Yes.
Now one more.
Yes.
One more.
Yes. Ouchie. You did it. You're number 1. I love you.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you too.
So ጨረስን። በዚህ ተጠናቋል ማለት ነው። ለኔስ መዳን እኔ እንኳን ጅንጅብል በሻይ እጠጣለሁ። እነሱም ይጠጣሉ። ትሻም ትጠጣለች ግን በትንሹ ጅንጅብል። I love you guys። በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ይሄን ይመስላል። Bye. Love you.